Okay, now we'll talk a little bit about smart building and IoT integration. So basically, smart building and IoT integrations are part of what we will be learning. So first, let's take a look at some of the knowledge tests we can do it yourself. Like IoT stand for Internet of Things, and smart building optimize comfort, improve energy efficiency, and optimize some of the facility management operations. All right. So integration of various building through centralized platforms is also known as building management systems. Okay. So some sensors and control devices are commonly used in the smart building to collect data and monitor control. So the concept of digital twin in smart building involve in creating virtual replica that mirrors the real operation and the behavior of the physical building. How this stands for Internet of Things. So with that, you can actually go through that, and then on the unit 3, right, we'll talk a little bit about smart building integration. So it describes the characteristics of smart building, appreciate what the smart campus development in MP is, and where some technology driving the FM industries. So these are some of the thoughts that we will kind of walk through. Some of the keywords that we talk a little bit about is environment sustainability, data analytics and AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So smart building uses advanced technology to monitor controls various building including aircon, ventilation, lighting and security. They're increasing more become more of a norm in new building, and it's been retrofitted into the existing building so that it becomes much smarter and more suitable. So some benefits are as you've seen in functionals of building system, improve energy, sustainability, reduce carbon and occupancy comfort. So with that, some smart building characteristics would include BMS and energy management and data interoperable systems such as IoT sensors, meters, device, controllers, and efficiency of data capturing the cloud itself. So this is a way that we actually like to see things is being built. For software analytics, like using AI and software, AI software such as algorithms or machine learning to actually determine and improve long-term strategy, sometimes called the data analytics. Yeah. So data analytics is something that we actually will always will kind of be looking at. Yeah. Okay, let me dismiss this first. All right. So smart campus initiative, you'll see that some smart campus and operation initiative of our services. This is part of the IOC or Integrated Operation Center, where you see various kind of charts inside here. Yeah, so security operations, smart user experience in technology like smart space apps and platforms, smart classroom like learning space, playground intelligence, and some agile. So for reporting, which actually points a follow up and automation and virtual assistance. AI driven technology, which has like facial recognition, leak preventive maintenance, etc. IoT sensors like occupancy sensors, aircon and mechanical ventilation controls where aircon is short upon sensing. So basically, those improving securities. There's approximately 155 smart camera in the campus, which does video analytics, card access, recognition of access itself. So lightning warning. So sustainability part, we actually had also learned about your campus power or the power, right, in real time, so you know exactly how much you consume. Then we can do some chiller optimization, which is like experimenting of small district cooling. Lift operating systems, we did this with some parameters that is kind of recorded, and it also can understand where you are landing. Smart meter and fire monitoring system. Solar panel is something that we actually has done and connected back to the grid system. So for further development of smart campus is somewhat IoT open platform, which open digital platform and accept some inputs and different systems from the manual entries. it routes to different notification and relevant parties for actions and resolutions so that it works functionally as a incident management systems. Yeah, so it's some generated some dashboard reports to provide real-time information. Right, so this is some kind of centralized systems. Common data environment is something created by formatting data in different systems, and then you can ingest that data. So data analytics can also be performed by generating business such as power consumed in different periods to guide the team to understand the different ways of how data is being consumed. So this particular chart talks about real-time monitoring, data analytics, and workflow. Digital twin is something that serves as a visual platform for environmental monitoring such as energy consumption, incidents reporting, where we can locate the digital twin itself. All right. So there's some of the integration that we actually look about. Some of the smart building technology application is under the code of environment sustainability divided by BCA. So like green mark scheme, smart building technology covers provision, use of BACnet, Modbus, and other open protocol as the network bone to the BMS to improve the interoperability. This is facilitated by communicating and integrating of other systems. So the other piece is energy portal. There's errors here, but the BCA efficiency smart portal understand about chiller performance, and then we have smart building sensors equipped with sensing, differential pressure that handle the air monitor filter condition. Yeah. So with that, some Internet of Things that is a physical object that contains sensors and communication devices via router to kind of connect to the centralized server. So large number of servers with communication devices enable the application itself. So it comes like a peripheral equipment, which sometimes we call the edge equipment, at the centralized cloud server. So large amount of kind of data, right? A lot of time is being built through the environment and enables a better strategy, especially the AI technology. Then it kind of help us to improve our FM efficiency. Yeah, so there's some quick way or some platform that we actually see. So some of the video you can actually look from here, and we should be able to see that some of the okay, so we won't see through the whole video, and basically what we will see is the IoT systems itself basically is able for us to kind of go through what's happening around. Data analytics, so there are some data analytics like large amount of live data through the business or BMS or the IoT system now can be uploaded in the cloud, and then we can use some predictive analytics to do that. Then you can determine how the organization is performed. AI, another way, is reference to simulation of human intelligence on their action program. So you can instruct to solve some problem, code into the computer programming, and it's called algorithm. Sometimes it looks things like robotics or chatbots. So facility AI uses data analytics in a way that it build a historical building operating data so that can store in the cloud, and then you can use that to understand what's happening. So machine learning is an application of use of artificial intelligence, uses multi-layer neural network of vast data. It can also train itself to improve data processing capability in the vast digital kind of data analytical way or a statistical way. Alright, so this is other stuff like ChatGPT. We learned about CNBC. There's some website talking about OpenAI and some ChatGPT on teaching and learning. So, okay, now we come to the questions. So, with that, we will talk about questions during your tutorial. So, in short, this is what we are learning for this particular chapter.